Ma'am, huwag kang nakasimangot. Please don't do that. Huwag kang tataas ng kilay parang tumitingin ka sa bubong. Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that here. Don't you ever do that. Nabentahan sila ng mga unit and then pagdating ng araw na pinamis sa kanila na mag-take over na sila sa unit, walang unit. In some cases, talahib pa. Walang bahay, talahib pa. At kung meron man kuminsan may unit, may bahay, sira-sira pa yung bahay. Butas-butas yung dingding, butas-butas yung bubong.
Once we issue
No,
the
no.
license,
Sige, I'll give it to the committee chair at itatambak sa iyo yan. Dapat basahin mo isa-isa. Pag hindi mo nabasa isa-isa at babalikan ka namin. Ang hirap sa'yo, palusot ka pa eh. Every single day, may pupunta even while we speak right now. May mga nakapila doon, Mr. Chair, nireklamo yung DSUD. Totoo yan. Pila-pila, meron yung hindi nyo chinecheck kung yung isang subdivision na pre-selling, kung meron ba talaga silang license to sell. Nakapagbayad na yung mga OFWs, they paid everything, and then pagdating ng araw na kukunin na lang unit, hindi nagagawa at puro talahib pa rin. And dapat yun na mamonitor ng DSUD. Wala eh. Meron pa yung pagdating nung buyer, Mr. Chair, sira-sira yung bubong, sira-sira ang dingding, walang tubig, etc. Dapat yun ang monitor ng DSUD. Meron pa yung wala silang contract selling between the buyer and the seller. Dapat yun monitor ng DSUD. At marami mga subdivisions, developers, ang palagi ng reklamo. Kasi if you're doing your job, then dapat walang sana mga reklamo. Gusto nyo, papuntahin ko sa DSUD, yung mga pupila sa amin araw-araw, kaya yung gampanan. And you know that for a fact na we've been calling your office. Because nakikita nyo naman na yung problema sa housing, hindi nyo talaga na-actionan.
Whose job is it to monitor yung sinasabi ni Senator Tulfo na nagbenta na, wala pang right to sell, talahib pa, wala pa namang development talaga? Whose lookout is that?
if I may clarify, there is a distinction between development of subdivision and condominium. Insofar as subdivision developments, development permit is being issued by the local government. Insofar as condominium, development permit is being issued by DSUD. So it depends on the classification of the development.
So if it's a subdivision, it's the LGU?
Well, they are the ones who's approving the site development plan.
But who will give them the authority to sell? It's
Us.
not the LGU.
The development plan, the
Kaya yun nga.
developer, we will issue a certificate of registration and license to sell upon application of the
Exactly.
That's exactly
There
what
you go.
But sir, you're
Hindi kasi nagpapalusot ka pa, Miss Pakis eh. I'm sorry. Sorry, Mr. Chair. Hindi,
Senator
kayo ang
Tulfo, may
nagbibigay ng lisensya sa developer para makapagbenta. Ang point ko, you're listening but you're not hearing me. Ang point ko dito, ayon sa mga sumbong, nabentahan sila ng mga unit and then pagdating ng araw na pinamis sa kanila na mag-take over na sila sa unit, walang unit. In some cases, talahib pa. Walang bahay, talahib pa. At kung meron man kuminsan may unit, may bahay, sira-sira pa yung bahay. Butas-butas yung dingding, butas-butas yung bubong. Come on, kasi nagkakataon siguro nasa mansion ka nakatira, hindi kasi baka sa Forbes pa ka nakatira, hindi ka siguro sa mga condominium na develop. Come on, Miss Pakis. If you want, tatambakan kita ng mga reklamo tungkol sa hindi pag-aksyon ng DSUD. You want me?
Actually, sir,
Pag tinambak ko sa'yo, baka hindi mo mabasa lahat.
once we issue
No,
the
no.
license,
Sige, I'll give it to the committee chair at itatambak sa iyo yan. Dapat basahin mo isa-isa. Pag hindi mo nabasa isa-isa at babalikan ka namin. Ang hirap sa'yo, palusot ka pa eh. All you need to do is dapat you have the correct answers for all these problems that are being presented to you by the people that comes to my office. But you're not eh. Kasi kung ginagawa yung trabaho nyo, hindi sana pumipila-pila. Ma'am, huwag kang nakasimangot. Please don't do that. Huwag kang tataas ng kilay parang tumitingin ka sa bubong. Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that here. Don't you ever do that. Okay? Ang point ko rito, Mr. Chair, even while we speak, today, meron naman nakapila sa wanted sa radyo. And almost every day, every week, sino nireklamo? DSUD for not acting upon their problems. Palagi yan na Nakapagbayad na sila, usually mga OFWs, Mr. Chair, pinagpawisan nila sa abroad. Nagbayad sila bago sila mag-abroad, hulog sila ng hulog, and then the time comes na dapat turn over na walang unit. Walang bahay kasi puro talahib pa rin. Kung meron man, butas-butas, walang tubig, walang bubong. Wag kang tumingin sa taas, ma'am. Tingin ka sa amin. Ma'am, this just shows na kayo dyan sa DSUD, hindi nyo ginagawa yung inyong trabaho, wala kayong monitoring system. Wala nag-i-ensure na itong developer na ito, meron ba siyang kakayahan na magbenta, meron ba siyang kakayahan na talagang gumawa ng unit, panindigan niya yung mga nabenta niya sa pre-selling. And it so happens so many of these developers, hindi na nagagampanan yung kanyang responsibilities na magbenta. Because wala siyang kakayahan. Although yung mga sikat, Mr. Chair, mga kilalang mga developer, of course, napapanindigan nila. Pero marami dito na hindi eh. Miss Pakis, come on, ikaw ba yung sa monitoring? Then you're not doing your job kung ikaw yung nasa monitoring. Ikaw ba, sino ang chief ng monitoring?
Your Honor, we do regulatory. Once the license to sell has been issued, it is mandated for the regional office to conduct mandatory monitoring within 1 year from issuance.
Okay. Before the license being issued, wala ba kayong ginagawang vetting? Wala ba kayong ginagawang investigation to ensure na may capability na mag-construct talaga o mag-develop itong isang developer?
In so far as condominium is concerned,
Whether condominium or subdivision?
not yet. If it's a subdivision, as long as the developer is not yet applying for the certificate of registration and license to sell with DSUD, we are not exercising any jurisdiction over monitoring and investigation of their development.
Yun nga Miss Pakis eh. Okay. So, wala pa silang license to sell. And yet, nagbebenta na sila. Marami nang naluloko. Kumukubra na ito mga developer. So, dapat yan monitor ninyo.
Yan ang ating Bravo Balita. Salamat sa panonood. Follow at subscribe at like na po kayo sa aming Facebook, YouTube at TikTok channel.